Hello and welcome to Company Interiors and indeed Company Interiors Academy. These are a set of online courses that you've all been asking me for, so I finally have capitulated and put this down to video now and with a whole load of downloads. So in this introductory course you are going to get a ton of value. You're going to get a look into how we design and how we present our biophilic interior designs to clients. I'm going to give you a whole bunch of examples and indeed the actual presentation material so you can see how we do it. So this is how the client is going to get an interpretation of what their interior would look like. We are then going to go into some of the installation services, how you actually install the products. We're going to go through the varieties of preserved mosses and plants that are available to bring this biophilic design, bring nature into the man-made environment. So this introductory course is packed with information which you're going to be able to have free downloads, free examples, design ideas, installation guides, the whole stuff. So that's going to be our introductory. I would love you to go further with us. I would love you then to go into the full academy course, and that is going to be business ideas. So if you're trying to take preserved mosses, moss walls, moss frames, biophilic design in general to a business level, you're trying to maybe look as a side hustle or a full-term business, the full detailed course is going to cover marketing, how to find clients, how to do the installations, how to present, the whole thing. So I hope you enjoy this. This is going to be an interesting journey, and I hope you leave me a ton of comments because I like to reply to those and I read every single one. So I hope you enjoy it.